Next one, 2016 Signature Series. Gonna have 4 cards, 4 autos. One pack, obviously. Feels pretty thin. That's not good. Expecting redemptions. Redemptions or points. Pretty thin. Well, there's a live card on top. So we'll see. Start with the top one. I got Pharaoh Cooper auto jersey for the Rams. Pharaoh Cooper. Auto jersey for the Rams. I don't see a numbering on it. Not numbered. Pharaoh Cooper auto jersey for the Rams. Hit number 2. 2 live cards. Who is this? Quentin Rollins for the Packers. Numbered out of 50. Quentin Rollins auto for the Packers. Numbered out of 50. I think the next one, yep, point card. Oh, nice. 400 points. Have to random that one off. 400. At least it's not the 150. Whoever gets that should be able to get something decent. And the last one, James Bradbury auto for the Panthers. James Bradbury. So that does it. 1 pack.